Good day everyone, welcome. I'm your tour guide Francis Aga Valdez with Humphrey, Alvin, Wayne, Darwin, and Sumagka. I'm going to take you an unforgettable journey with Maria Ogay. As your special highlight, get ready to explore breathtaking sights, immerse in local culture, and create lifelong memories. Let's start our adventure.
So here's a vision of glimpse of Apawang Kalinga Botbot, people from the mountain village of Buscalan in Kalinga Province, Northern Philippines.
Visit Buscalan Village in Tinglayan. It's a remote mountain community reachable by jeepney or van from Baguio or Manila, followed by a scenic hike of around 1 hour. Expect rustic strike, huts, pag drop, glory, and the traditional ways of the Butbut tribu, preserved to this day.
Experience the Batok tattoo tradition. Wangud hand taps tattoos using a bamboo stick, a pomelo tree thorn, and pine soot ink in a time-honored technique called Batok.
Maria Ogay, also known as Apuwangod, in Buscalan Village, located in Tinglayan, Kalinga, in the northern Philippines. It's already considered one of the most beautiful and culturally places in the Cordillera region. But here are some must-see beautiful spots and activities around Buscalan and nearby Kalinga.
Buscalan village is not what's live on traditional process. Foggy mornings, fresh mountain air, and kids playing on narrow footpaths. It's peace escape from urban life.
Cultural highlights with Apawangod and her tattooing Gradnines watch of received a Batok tattoo with view of the mountains in the background.
Beautiful in the place of Apuwangod. We can see small natural pools, lush greenery, and peaceful surroundings. Perfect after a hike.